welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Viva and this is our channel. So today we are going to do some DIYs for some decors for a YouTube background, and all you need is a spray paint. Yeah, this one I got it from Jumia for 350 shillings, and the other things are just some accessories that I found in the house, that if I spray with this is a gold paint, if I spray with this, they're gonna turn out perfect. So continue watching. If you don't want to watch, it's okay, it's not a must. And if you've not subscribed yet, subscribe, like and share. Yeah, so the first thing I did was to take a cover of a book that I had, which had a hardcover, and I put a CD in the middle and I sprayed all over it, and where the CD is, there's not gonna be any paint. Yeah, and I sprayed all over, and then I removed the CD and voila.
We're going to do is to spray all this, the glass thingies. Then after that I'll spray these ones. I got them from you see these, what do you like, this thing ya kufagia. Yeah, so the VGTs, I took them, so I'm gonna spray them and I'm gonna put them inside here, so wait for the outcome.
So I sprayed the glass bottles that I had that came from my perfume that got finished, and I sprayed all over the bottles. You need to be careful so that the paint does not go to your hands and nails. Yeah, you can see how beautiful they became from the colorless that they were until they became gold after spraying them. Then I sprayed the sticks that I got from the broom until they turned into gold. So this is just like a kind of a paper bag or a carrying thingy that I got from the house. Then I took a pair of scissors, then I cut all around like a square part. Then after that, I sprayed all over it to turn it from brown to gold. And after drying, I'm gonna hang it on the walls. After 30 minutes I was done, and the person who helped me is my brother Denzel. Yeah, so all I wanted to say is, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And I'm going to do a video of how I arranged everything that I sprayed on my YouTube background. So I'm gonna do that video in like 2 days, and you're gonna check it out. And all I can say is that doing this thing is so easy. At first I thought it's not easy, but it just takes a little bit of time. And another thing that I've learned is you should not let it go to your nails or your hands, okay? You should wear something like gloves or something, because I'm not sure if it's gonna come out. So thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, man. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for if you've not subscribed to my channel, man? Yeah? And if you want to check Denzel's YouTube channel, it's I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box, and I'm gonna leave the link of the things I bought from Jumia to spray this thing, the decors and everything. It's not Like, you know, if you buy these things, they're always expensive, but if you do a DIY, which stands for do it on your own, or what, Denzel? What does it stand for?
Do it on your own. Gold phone, no flex, no flex. Gold phone, no flex.
Do it on your own. It's gonna, like, it's like everything I've done, I just spent like $3. That's like 300 shillings for only the spray. And the things that I sprayed are just some things that I don't use in the house, and they came out perfectly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Okay, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And bye. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and kisses from me to you. Bye.